Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Robux using Sweatcoin. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Sweatcoin app on your device. From the home screen, tap on the Rewards section. This is where you can find different offers, including super draws, gift cards, and other special prizes. Scroll through the available rewards until you find a super draw that offers Robux. These draws change frequently, so you may need to check back regularly. Some super draws also include prizes like Apple Watches, Nike gift cards, and hotel stays. Once you find a super draw for Robux, tap on it and follow the instructions to enter. Typically, you will need to spend some sweat coins to join the draw. The more entries you submit, the higher your chances of winning. If there is no active Robux super draw, you can wait for one to appear or explore other reward options. So that's basically how you can get Robux using Sweatcoin. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.